Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started, tap OK, and tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Choose OK again, click Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Over here, pick the one that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and tap Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!